Now in that lecture third part, we will discuss the different question based on the condition if given to you that the given quadratic equation have a real and equal root, then how we will find out the value of k. So student question is that in each of the following determine the value of k for which the given quadratic equation have a real and equal roots. If given equation have a real and equal roots, then find a value of k. And quadratic equation is kx square minus 2k x plus k minus 1 is equals to 0. So we will find out here the value of k, then using the b square minus 4ac. So before that, firstly we will identify then what is the value of a, what is the value of b, and what is the value of c. So here a is equals to k, b is equals to minus 2k, and c is equals to k minus 1. Now according to question, quadratic equation having equal and real roots. So d equals to 0, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, b value minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k minus 1 is equals to 0. So after that 4k square minus 4k square negative positive 4k is equals to 0, 4k square cancel, so 4k is equals to 0. So what is the value of k? 0 upon 4. So k value is 0. So for k is equals to 0, the given quadratic equation have equal roots. But students, if we will put here k is equals to 0, then the equation is exist or does not exist? इक्वेशन डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट बिकॉज यहाँ पे देखो k इक्वल्स टू 0 पुट करोगे ये भी 0 बन जाएगा, ये भी 0 बन जाएगा, ये -1 बनेगा. सो ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगी. ओके, सो यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज पॉसिबल और नॉट. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ k इज नॉट पॉसिबल, कि ये k की वैल्यू क्या नहीं होगी, पॉसिबल नहीं होगी. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question is k minus 12 x square plus 2 k minus 12 x plus 2 is equals to 0. And question, find the value of k for which the given quadratic equation have a real and equal roots. Same question, we will find out the value of a is k minus 12, b is 2k minus 12, that is 2k minus 24, and value of c is 2. So for a real and equal roots, so for real and equal roots, b square minus 4 is equal 0. So 2k minus 12 whole square minus 4 k minus 12 into 2 equals to 0. नाउ फॉर स्टूडेंट्स इजी कैलकुलेशन, आप इस कैलकुलेशन को इजी भी बना सकते हो, हार्ड भी बना सकते हो. हाउ? इफ वी कैन टेक आउट k minus 12, k minus 12 कॉमन, k minus 12 कॉमन, देन रिमेनिंग हियर 2, 2 क्या बनेगा, ये तो 4 बन जाएगा, और ये क्या बनेगा, k minus 12 minus 4 into 2 is equals to 0. सो k minus 12 है, सेकेंड में क्या फॉर्म होगा आपका, 4k माइनस 48 माइनस 8 इक्वल्स टू 0. सो k minus 12 है, एंड सेकेंड ब्रैकेट 4k minus 56 is equals to 0. So to find out the value of k, we will put both bracket equals to 0. K minus 12 equals to 0 and 4k minus 56 equals to 0. So what is the value of k? K value 12. And from here k minus 56 0. So 4k is equals to 56. K value 56 upon 4. 14. Now how we will check? Then both the k values are possible, or one value of k is possible, or these both are not exist. So students, how we will identify? So here we will put first of all k equals to 12 है, k equals to 12 पुट करो. यहाँ पे k equals to 12 पुट करने पे क्या क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एग्जिस्ट कर रही है? No. And if we will put here k is equals to 14, then quadratic equation is possible or not? Yes. So what is the possible value of k? Possible value of k is 14. Understand how we will identify k possible value? K equals to 12 put करोगे तो ये quadratic equation exist नहीं करेगी. Understand? So this type of students, many questions are given to you in RD Sharma, and if you see clearly, then they forward also mention ask CBSE 2019, ask CBSE 2018, that all. इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आज किए गए. Understand how we will solve this type of question? Now next we will discuss the questions from your NCERT book. NCERT book से डिस्कस करते हैं that the solution is possible or not, or how we will formulate the equation. Now we will move on your exercise 4.3. In 4.3 some questions. And all you know the concept of the boat in which the upstream and downstream, same as your chapter 3rd. In chapter 3rd, two unknowns are there, the speed of the boat along with the speed of the stream. How you will identify the question which is based on boat and stream? अब इस क्वेश्चंस को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे? If only one is unknown, then is the chapter 4 quadratic equation, and if both values are unknown, then that is the question from your chapter 3. Both unknown है तो क्या बनेगा? A linear equation in two variable. And if single is unknown, then that is the quadratic equation. So now we will discuss the questions based on what? Questions? Yes. Chapter 2. Yes. Students, ये clear होगा when you will do solve the sample paper. तो sample paper से idea होगा then which type of question is asking. Sir, in S7 exam? No. So question based on what? Question is a motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour, still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return that downstream. So all you know, in case of upstream, we will find out the speed of boat upstream, speed of boat minus speed of stream, that all. And downstream plus upstream में क्या करते हैं? Subtract करते हैं, और downstream में क्या करते हैं? Plus करते हैं. So here given to you that the speed of motorboat is equals to 18 kilometer per hour, and let speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour. So first of all, students, you will tell to me that speed of a motor boat is greater or speed of stream is greater? Motor boat. Because if speed of stream is greater, then the motor boat will be sink or float? Will be sink. Sink हो जाएगी. Now speed of a boat in upstream. So speed of boat in upstream. What is the meaning of upstream? Both are moving opposite towards to each other. Then the speed is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. So that is speed of boat minus speed of stream, kilometer per hour. Second, speed of boat in downstream, which is 18 plus x, because in case of downstream both stream and boat are moving in the same direction, so the effective speed of boat will increase. Now according to question, we will finding out the time. So we will find out the time for upstream, then second we will find out the time for downstream. And here in question, students, total distance are given. Total distance is equals to 24 kilometer. So first we will find out the distance which is covered in upstream, and second we will finding out the distance which is covered in downstream. So first, time for upstream. So time for upstream T1, time is equals to distance upon speed, 24 upon 18 minus x, because we know that time is equals to our distance upon speed. Second, time for downstream. So time for downstream T2, T2 is equals to 24 upon 18 plus x. Same. Now I already told to you in the question of train base, ट्रेन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए थे प्रीवियस लेक्चर में, एंड देयर आई टोल्ड टू यू दैट इन विच कंडीशन द ट्रेन विल रिक्वायर लेस टाइम एंड इन विच कंडीशन द ट्रेन विल रिक्वायर द मोर टाइम. सो यहां पे देखो स्टूडेंट्स, इन विच केस द बोट विल रिक्वायर्ड लेस टाइम एंड इन विच केस द बोट विल रिक्वायर्ड मोर टाइम. सो इन डाउन स्ट्रीम स्पीड क्या हो रही है? इंक्रीज हो रही है, सो टाइम इज डिक्रीज. In upstream speed is decreasing, so time is more. So in which condition the boat is required more time? In upstream the boat is required more time, and in downstream the boat is required less time. So how we will make the equation? According to question, will take 1 hour more. So upstream it required the more time and that required the less time. So 24 upon 18 minus x, that is the time taken by the upstream, is equals to 24 upon 18 plus x plus 1. Because equation का meaning क्या होता है? What does mean of equation? In both side balancing. So here upstream require more time. अब ये quantity क्या है? Greater है. So and that is smaller. So addition we will do in smaller quantity or in greater quantity? Addition we will do in smaller quantity. So we obtain the equation 24 upon 18 minus x minus 24 upon 18 plus x is equals to 1. Now you will take the LCM and form the quadratic equation. After forming the quadratic equation, you will find out the root of the given quadratic equation. Then these are the possible values of x. and if x value will come negative, so students, the x value is negative, it is possible or not? Not possible, because speed can't be negative. Understand? Now some students are doing mistake. Suppose here you will write down like this type equation: 24 upon 18 plus x minus 24 upon 18 minus x is equals to 1. You will get the same equation, but in sign before the constant term you will finding out the different. यहाँ पे इक्वेशन में नेगेटिव बनेगा, but in that equation you will finding out the positive. That's why your answer is wrong. अब जैसे ही आपका C पॉजिटिव बनेगा, then nature of roots is does not exist. बट आप क्या करते हो, उस पॉजिटिव को ही नेगेटिव में कंसिडर करके और आंसर फाइंड आउट करो. सो मोस्टली स्टूडेंट डू दिस टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक. अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी विल सोल्व द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन बोट एंड स्ट्रीम. स्टूडेंट्स, एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन एज प्रॉब्लम, एंड एज प्रॉब्लम आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड टू यू some basic concept of age problem. Now we will discuss the question number 11 of exercise 4.3. Question number 11 of exercise 4.3. Yes? Which? किसमें किसमें यूज होगा? हाँ, एज नहीं, वो तो मैंने बता दिया ना आपको. वर्ड नाउ गिवन, अगो गिवन, हेंस गिवन, वही है उसमें. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 of exercise 4.3. The sum of the areas of two square is 468. A1 plus A2 is equals to 468, and the difference of their parameter P1 minus P2 is equals to 24. Find the sides of two square. Two square, let the side of second square be x. Then what is the parameter of students? 4 into side minus 4 into x is equals to 24. साइड आपने किसकी कंसीडर कर ली? फर्स्ट स्क्वायर की. साइड एज इट इज सेकंड की x है. सो 4 इंटू कंसीडर a इज इक्वल्स टू 24 प्लस 4x. 4a 4 कॉमन, 6 plus x, 4 cancel out, a is equals to 6 plus x. So what is a? Side of the first square, that is side of first square. Now a1 plus a2 is equals to 468. What is the value of a1? A square plus a2 x square is equals to 468. But we already find the value of a. Value of a क्या है? 6 plus x whole square plus x whole square is equals to 468. Now that is the quadratic equation, and you can simplify that quadratic equation and then find out the x value. क्या बनेगा? 36 plus 12x plus x square plus 468, 2x square plus 12x, 36 minus 468 equals to 0, 2x square plus 12x, that all. And before finding out the root of the equation, firstly you will check whether there is any number is common or not. If common, then firstly you will take out common, then after you, okay. So students, after watching that lecture, you will complete your chapter 4, and in chapter 4 exercise 4.3 Question number 5th to 11 all are very important. Question number 5th to question number 11. In that question, the important is how we will formulate the word problem into the quadratic equation. Okay. Thank you all students. Have a nice day.